Let's talk about the numbers that run our world, from a 30% off sale to the tax on your lunch receipt. We often calculate these in slow, clunky steps. But what if there was a shortcut, a single number that does all the work for you? This is the percentage multiplier. It's a decimal that represents the final value. For a 30% discount, you're not interested in the 30% you save, but the 70% you still have to pay. So your multiplier is 0.7. A $75 pair of jeans? Just multiply by 0.7. The answer, $52.50, appears in one step. No subtracting needed. This is how financial software crunches numbers at high speed. In Australia, this is most visible with the 10% goods and services tax. To add the tax, you multiply by 1.1. A $100 item becomes $110. Simple. But here's the real pro move, working backward. You see a laptop priced at $1,320, including tax. What was the original price? The rule is elegant. If you multiply to go forward, you divide to go backward. So you take $1,320 and divide it by 1.1. The original price? $1,200. This one trick uncovers hidden costs everywhere. This logic even protects you from common traps. A price goes up 10%, then down 10%. Are you back where you started? No. The 10% decrease is taken from the new, higher price. The final cost is actually lower. Multipliers reveal this instantly. They aren't just a school trick, they're the code behind every transaction. Understanding how to multiply forward and divide back isn't just about passing a test. It's about becoming a smarter, more aware consumer in a world run by percentages.